Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel, Lubna Scalaris. This video is about folding fans, in other words Chinese fans. We will see its history and significance. Chinese fans have a long and rich history, playing significant roles in Chinese culture, art, and daily life. Here's an overview of their development and cultural significance. Origins and early history. Prehistoric roots. The earliest known fans in China date back to around 3000 BC and were made from natural materials like feathers, leaves, and silk. Zhou Dynasty 1046 to 56 BC. During this period, fans were primarily used by the aristocracy and were seen as symbols of status and power. Types of Chinese fans. Fixed fanshan. These fans were not foldable and included the round tuanshan or ruanshan, often referred to as silk fans. They were typically made of bamboo, wood, or bone with a silk or paper face. Folding fanjeshan. Introduced from Japan during the Song Dynasty 960 to 1279 AD. Folding fans became immensely popular and were considered both practical and fashionable. Cultural significance. Art and literature. Fans were often adorned with paintings, calligraphy, and poems, making them portable art pieces. They served as canvases for famous artists and poets, becoming treasured collectibles. Social symbolism. Fans were used in social and cultural ceremonies, including dances and religious rituals. They were also common gifts, especially among scholars and officials. Gender differences. While both men and women use fans, designs and decorations often differed. Women's fans were typically smaller and more ornate, while men's fans were larger and more straightforward. Historical periods. Han Dynasty 206 BC to 220 AD. Fans became more widespread among the general populace. Silk fans were especially prized during this time. Tang Dynasty 618 to 907 AD. The use of fans became more artistic, with intricate designs and high-quality materials. Fans were also used in various court dances. Song Dynasty 960 to 1279 AD. Folding fans were introduced and became popular. This period saw the peak of fan art and craftsmanship. Ming 1368 to 1640 for AD and Qing 1644 to 1912 AD dynasties. Fans continued to be an important cultural artifact, with elaborate designs and high-quality craftsmanship. The folding fan became a symbol of sophistication and learning. Modern era. In contemporary times, traditional Chinese fans remain popular as cultural artifacts, souvenirs, and artistic objects. They continue to be used in traditional performances and festivals, preserving their historical and cultural significance.